Hey everybody, welcome back to How to Build a 105 Thunderchief 10 minutes at a time. Alright everybody, I got this side in there, you got it jigged up. I had to narrow my stand up a little bit, put a stick under that wing, but we're going to check the incidents, make sure this will fit on both sides. I think it'll fit on both sides because the issue wasn't back here, the issue was up here. And that side looks good to me. I don't think it's going to be off, people. I think this is going to work. You know? But let's stick an incidence meter on it and check. Okay, this is just my Robart incidence meter. I had to, make a bigger one for these bigger planes. I actually did this a long time ago. It's just the old school type. It ain't the laser one. But, let me put my glasses on so I can read these numbers. Well, let's just give this a quick check on this side. Okay, let's, go about right there. Okay. We're at -2. And it looks like the nose of the plane is a little higher. So, and the negative and positive don't mean nothing now because I ain't got to turn around, that's just our number. -2, just a freckle under. Just a freckle. Okay. Now let's put this on the other side. And we should end up with a -2. I sure hope so. Yes, it does fit on both sides. Good, someone was asking me. Well, what we're worried about now is the incidents, okay? And RC Apache guy says he thought these wings drooped down a little bit, and I thought they did too. But if you look at a good 3-view drawing, they look straight. Butch swears up and down they're straight. I think a lot of times when you're looking at that, it's more of a optical illusion. I'm sure there's people out there that can tell us, but Butch says they're straight. Okay, come on, let's cross our fingers. Everyone got their fingers crossed? It looks good. Let's check it. Oh, just a hair under +2. Just a freaking. We're good to go, everybody. We are good to go. We're good to go. Let's check through. That's perfect. Man, I think we dodged a bullet. I'm going to show you guys. Bam, look at that. Just a trickle under two. Oh, we dodged the bullet. Alright. That just goes to show, people, just because you have an issue with something, you know, it's, you just got to think it through, you know. Now, well, it sure looks cool with the wing on it. The wings really ain't very big for such a big jet. Let's just check the wingspan. Let's just check the wingspan, what the wingspan is going to be. 34, 68. That's less than a 6-foot wingspan on an 11-foot jet. See, that'll fit in most trailers. You know? Alright, our incidence is good. So, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. Okay? I'm going to take this wing right here. I'm going to take this one wing. Alright? I'm going to take this one wing. I'm going to get a wingtip on there. And I'm going to get this thing all slicked up. Now this, I'm going to put I'm going to take one of these sticks and put it on this trailing edge. I need to fix this. This should be just a little more rounded than what it is. I'm going to take this one wing. I'm going to get it all slicked up. I'm going to put this piece of wood on the back. Get a wingtip on it. Get some resin on that leading edge, trailing edge, and wingtip. I'm going to get her slicked up. I'm not going to put no panel lines on it yet. I'm going to mold this one wing. Okay? I'm going to get my mold done. I'm going to have that done Tuesday. You know, that's fast, a lot faster than I'm going to be able to get 2 new plugs, okay? 2 new foam ones. Okay? Then I'm going to lay up new plugs out of that mold. I'm going to lay up thick, really thick, so they'll be real firm. Without no panel lines. I ain't going to do the panel lines yet. I'm going to lay up 2 new plugs, okay, out of that one mold. Okay? When I get my 2 new wings made, I'll be done with that mold, chuck it aside. But I'm going to have 2 new plugs that's going to be slick already. I ain't going to have to do no sanding on them. All I'm going to have to do is put my panel line tape on there then. And make my panel lines on each wing, then mold up both wings. And I'll be able to do that a lot faster than starting from scratch. Because I got one good wing. That's all we need, one good wing. So, tragedy averted. We got it figured out. Not going to be a big deal. Just going to have to make one extra mold. And I'll tell you the truth, I'd rather make that extra mold than start from scratch. Going to be less work in the long run. I ain't going to have all this sanding to do. I believe so. And the end product's going to be awesome, because now I know both my wings are going to be identically the same. One ain't going to be thicker than the other. One ain't going to be longer than the other, causing a trim problem. Weight issues, they're going to be perfect. And this is going to work. So, told you people, you just got to think this stuff through. It ain't worth getting all upset and throwing all this stuff away. So, we learned something here together. So, we're just going to keep on trucking. We'll see you back in the shop.